Pai le ta siam se u promise bun ai ba me pai.
Ta me mot ban ong ba bro arngot ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Mrs. N. Hills Tiny Tots Eastville Secondary School, Lumia Blot Northamai, Klapenkut dek Annual Day Sports Meet aracara punriu. Kenik Annual Day Sports bakhalai kelas dang. Duduk kasan truk leber aracara punriu, balapenkut no hakanyo truk leber aracara punriu. Ukong sana ganing sengi udah ubah dan bok lang lingdo uko jong ko all Meghalaya Karti. Hagadiga sengi dan lang Imam Amelias Im, Director, Usa Steven Arthur Dingso Assistant Director, Ma'am Graciously Kharkongor Principal, Barkiwepat Kiblasha Khot Sobha, Naloki Kmi Kpa Jong Kikenna. Lasam kusnam ru kinong job Kiblashim Benta Hagajung Ilakai Paper.
March past. Hello. March past contingents, please move forward.
We embrace the spirit of sportsmanship and unity. Let us honor the essence of fair play and collaboration through our own. I would like to especially acknowledge and welcome our esteemed guests. Your participation enriches our event and fosters friendship and competition. Now, I invite everyone to raise their right hand and repeat after me. All together, I pledge to compete with honor and integrity, to respect my opponents and the rules of the game. I will give my best, push my limits, and support my teammates in victory and defeat. We celebrate friendship through sport and appreciation the spirit of our fellow competitors. May this day be filled with joy, strength and sportsmanship. As we participate with heart and enthusiasm, together we strive for excellence with the spirit of unity guiding us. For today we are not just individuals, but a community bound by the love of sport. Everyone, put your hands down.
First, we have our school commander and sports vice captain, Wan Chan Long NPD from class 9. Next, we have inter-school girls, the commander, Sabed Mapi Rani, class 10, placard bearer, Edinia Nongskse, flag bearer, Amy J. Poshna, class 10. Their unity reflects teamwork, their rhythm shows discipline, and their spirit speaks of true sportsmanship. Let's cheer loudly as they lead with courage and energy. For the inter-school boys, commander is Demi Lajik Shia from class 10, placard bearer Lalampuya from class 9, and the flag bearer Alonzo Harkongor from class 10. House of Discovery, that is Red House. Bold, courageous, and fearless. Welcoming, discovering house. They explore limits, challenge boundaries, and aim for excellence. Their motto is seek, find, reveal. The commander of the Discovery House is Hadasha from class 9, placard bearer Mewan Pinsnine from class 7, and the flag bearer Ebenezer Ryan from class 9. That true power lies in focus and determination. Their motto is silent yet unstoppable. The commander is Jared Lingdaw from class 7, placard bearer Linda from class 9, and the flag bearer Lal Rose Sayam from class 10. that is greenhouse, marching forward with unity and rhythm. Here comes House of Harmony. They believe that success comes when hearts and minds work together, and their motto is, "Together we shine brighter." The commander of the Harmony House is Tiara from class 9, placard bearer Imkong from class 7, and flag bearer Freddy from class 8.
Now, here comes the House of Unity. Different individuals, one powerful team. Here comes House of Unity. They stand for teamwork, solidarity, and cooperation. Their motto is "Unity is strength." The commander is Jamlang Kharkungor, class 7. Flag bearer Ringayu, class 7.
Following them is the pipe band.
And my young champions, good morning to one and all. It is truly a pleasure and an honor to be here with you today as a chief guest for this wonderful celebration of sports, energy and youthful spirit. A school sports day is not just an event on the calendar, but it is a celebration of discipline, teamwork, perseverance and character. Sports play a vital role in shaping not only strong bodies, but also strong minds. On this field, you will learn lessons that no textbook can fully teach: how to win with humility, how to lose with grace, how to work as a team.
But participating and effort put in is more important. Every one of you who stepped onto this field is already a winner. because you have the courage to try. Give your best, cheer for your friends, and enjoy every moment of today. I would like to congratulate the school management, the principals, teachers for giving equal importance to academics and sports. Such balance is essential in building confident, healthy and responsible individual. A special word of appreciation to physical education teachers and staff who had worked tirelessly to organize this event. Dear parents, your encouragement and support play a huge role in your children's success. Thank you for always motivating them to explore their talents beyond the classroom. As we begin today's program, I wish all participants the very best. May the Sports Day inspire you to stay active, focused, and never give up on your dreams. With these words, I officially declare the school Sports Day open. Thank you and have a fantastic day. I declare the Enter School Sports 2026 open. Thank you.
I repeat, Class 1B 50-meter race winners. Boys, first goes to Joel of Green House, second goes to Narang of Blue House, and the third goes to Daniel of Red House. And from the girls, first goes to Ting of Green House, third goes to Aurelia House. And I request to give the awards for Class 2. I request our Director Ma'am to please do the honor.
Smile. 1, 2, 3, one more. Okay.
50-meter race for Class 3A. First, boys. Third goes to Madon from Greenhouse. Second goes to Kaisam Lang from Greenhouse. And the first goes to Andre from Yellow House. Now Class 3B. Boys. Third goes to Wandina of Red House. Second goes to Pinbyang Lang of Red House. And the first goes to Nicholas Alicia from Blue House. A big round of applause, everyone. Safi Banda of Blue House. And the third goes to, first goes to Alisa of Blue House. For the 50-meter race. For the prize distribution of Class 4 Section A 50-meter race, I request.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style, bro. Style.
Hello, guys. Where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ।
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। लेट्स गो गाइस, पार्टी टाइम।
Skoda.